Several months ago, our service gate, which is the gate that we use primarily to let the boats in and out of the lock, broke. We left it in the down position, and we've been using our emergency gate, which is our backup, for several months now. And that emergency gate was not designed to do that. So the work that we're doing here today is to put that service gate, our primary gate, back into service, make it usable again, so we can pass boat traffic and operate more safely. The Rock Island District sent one of their floating plants to assist us. It's a crew of about 14 people. They are heavy work experts. They do this kind of repair and maintenance work on a regular basis. And this is not a capability we would normally have at the lock, so we reached out to Rock Island District and have been working with them since our boundary transition to get this crew up here and assist us. And they obviously have a collection of cranes and boats and barges and special tools that they can use to assist us in this operation. We could not do this without them. This is a capability that does not exist within Chicago District. And so using Rock Island as our partner in this has been critical. We could go to industry for this, but this is a capability the Corps specializes in, and Rock Island has a tremendous amount of experience doing this, both on the Illinois Waterway and on the Mississippi River. So to have that capability so close and available to us has been essential to getting this work done. The benefit to this project is to the many industry partners, as well as some recreational assets that move up and down this riverway. There are tremendous amounts of commodities that move down to the Mississippi River or up to Lake Michigan. And without this lock, they would rely on other less cost-effective means to move those commodities. And as part of a critical link between Lake Michigan and the Mississippi, it's important for us to keep this lock operational every day.